Broadleaf, the all-in-one solution to total talent management. The talent landscape has changed, and companies face wide-ranging challenges, including escalating labor costs, talent shortages, and healthcare regulations, introducing barriers for contract employees, direct staff, independent contractors, freelancers, statement of work and service vendors. Broadleaf's Total Talent Management unifies talent and productivity channels, offering blended or standalone managed service programs, recruitment process outsourcing, IC compliance and management, freelancer management, statement of work and services procurement. By engaging Broadleaf Total Talent Management, companies making resourcing decisions can benefit from increased talent access, amplified cost savings, simplified processes, unified points of contact, impactful compliance controls, insightful analytics and forecasting, reliable, sustainable results. Broadleaf, your solution to total talent management. Visit broadleafresults.com.